Welcome back to Handy Home Hub, the sanctuary for all home improvement aficionados. Today, we're embarking on a journey to construct the quintessential home workspace for all laptop users amidst the digital hustle. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with our treasure trove of insightful content. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and dive in. Step 1. Selecting the perfect spot. The birthplace of a fruitful home workspace is its locale. Hunt for a spot that's tranquil, well illuminated, and well ventilated to foster an ambience conducive to work. Evade noisy or clutter-ridden areas to shun distractions. Tip: if possible, set up shop near a window to soak up that natural light, which can uplift your spirits and keep the dreaded afternoon slump at bay. Step 2. Investing in an ergonomic chair. Comfort is the reigning monarch when it comes to enduring those long working hours. An ergonomic chair with adjustable accoutrements and stellar lumbar support is a prudent investment. It's your throne of productivity, so choose it sagaciously. Tip: make sure the chair's height allows your feet to rest flat on the floor or on a footrest, keeping your knees at hip level. Step 3. Picking a suitable desk. Your desk is your war room. Ensure it stands proud at the right height, offering bounteous space for your laptop and a myriad of accessories. Mull over a standing desk to alternate between sitting and standing, promoting a better posture. Tip: a desk with a modesty panel can provide privacy and hide a multitude of cable sins. Step 4. Setting up your laptop efficiently. Position your laptop to have the screen at eye level to reduce the toll on your neck and eyes. Enlist the service of an external keyboard and mouse for a comfy and efficient setup. Tip: a docking station can be a game changer, allowing you to easily connect to multiple devices. Step 5. Organizing your workspace. A clutter-free desk is the precursor to a clutter-free mind. Employ drawers, shelves, and organizers to keep your workspace in shipshape. Tame your cables with clips or ties for a sleek appearance. Tip: adopt a minimalist approach by keeping only the essentials on your desk. Step 6. Personalization. Imbue your personality into your workspace with quirky decorations, lush plants, or cherished photos. A snug and personalized workspace elevates motivation and productivity. For an added layer of comfort, consider a lamp with adjustable brightness or a small desk fan. Tip: choose artwork or decor that inspires and rejuvenates your spirit. Step 7. Tech and accessories. Catapult your workspace into the modern age with tech gadgets like a stellar monitor or a noise-canceling headset. These allies can significantly heighten your productivity and enhance your work voyage. Tip: a good quality webcam and microphone are essential for crystal-clear virtual meetings. Step 8. Maintaining a healthy routine. Weave in short, rejuvenating breaks to stretch your limbs and saunter around. Guard your eyes by tweaking screen settings and adhering to the 20-20-20 rule to alleviate eye strain. Tip: stay active with a mini stepper or an under-desk elliptical for some low-impact exercise while you work. General tips: don't shy away from experimenting with diverse setups to pinpoint what tickles your fancy. Stay current with the latest ergonomic products to continually refine your workspace. By meticulously following these steps, you're laying down the foundation for success, comfort, and enhanced productivity. Your workspace is a reflection of your professionalism. Now, we're on tenterhooks to hear from you. What's your favorite workspace setup tip? Spill the beans in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home solution hacks from Handy Home Hub.